Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this outdoor furniture set. This is actually the Hampton Bay Delaronde 4-piece conversation set, and in this video I'll be going over the features and functions with you and telling you about my own personal opinion on this outdoor furniture. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, it comes with 4 pieces. You have these 2 lounge chairs, you have this love seat, and you have this table over here. Now, for full disclosure, my wife and I just bought these a few weeks ago. We bought this set a few weeks ago, and this table usually stays in the backyard and the couches stay in the front, okay? So the table isn't usually there, so there's a bit more space, but I brought it out here just to show you the whole set. But that's the beauty of it. You can actually use these separately or together. It's kind of up to you. First and foremost, the assembly was super duper easy. The instructions were really straightforward, and it probably took me about an hour and a half to do all of this, to assemble all of this by myself. If you have 2 people, it'll go a little bit faster, and I also was taking breaks to do other things, so you could probably do it in a little bit less if you were just with another person or just driven to do it all at once. But my situation didn't allow that. I was doing it in little spurts, so I basically assembled this at once, and then I assembled that at once, then I assembled that, and then I assembled that. They were all done separately, and in total it's probably about an hour and a half, maybe a little bit less. Now, with regards to the level of comfort, they are absolutely incredible. They're really plush. They feel weather resistant, and the greatest thing about them, to be honest with you, is the fact that you get these extra pillows. So in addition to the cushions on the back and the base or the seat of each of them, you get these 4 extra pillows, which is fantastic. So you can use them and you can sort of place them on there and you can sit against them, or you can sort of move them to the side and use the furniture without them. It's entirely up to you. I personally use them because the seats are nice and deep. So if you put a pillow over here, it gives you a little bit of extra cushioning on that side. It all depends on the direction that you're facing. I apologize about the sound. One of my neighbors is mowing their lawn, and they have like this really loud and powerful lawnmower. But anyways, back to business over here. You can see that you get the 2 lounge chairs and then the love seat over there. It has this nice wicker design. The armrests are really comfortable. You can see they're nice and thick, so you don't have to worry about your arm being on a small piece of metal like that. They're nice and thick, so you get a good amount of arm space to use. With regards to the table, you can see it's quite large. I like the coloration of it. You have this sort of like this tinted glass, which looks absolutely awesome. Instead of having just a clear glass, you have a tinted glass, which matches the coloration of the actual furniture. Continuing to take a look over here, you can see it just feels amazing. It looks amazing. The furniture set is great. Before this, my wife and I had these like metal chairs with a metal table out here, and they weren't that comfortable. They felt okay in the moment, but after we got these and I sat on these, I was like, wow, this feels incredible. So it's a world of a difference that you probably won't know about until you actually sit on them. Then you notice how incredible they feel. Like I said, the old furniture felt great until I sat on these and I was like, wow, these feel absolutely astonishingly amazing. In addition, the design is fantastic with regards to the coloration. You have this brown and this brown wicker, and then these blue cushions and the blue and white with the pillows. It kind of is meant to match most things, okay? And yeah, that's basically it. They're really comfortable, really easy to assemble. They can be used in different formations. You can sort of like, I could put that chair over there, move the love seat down. I can kind of experiment with it. But yeah, this is the way that we've assembled it. Like I said, the table is usually in the back, but that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.